Guys, Ed here. Today we have this Chrysler Pacifica. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to change your air filter in this car. It's actually a very simple procedure, everyone can do this. Pop the hood, find the latch, move it to the left, raise the hood up, connect, put the connector back in place, or connector, put the stand in. Yeah, so now this is our air filter housing. In order for us to get the filter out, we'll have to remove these two screws. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna use 8mm socket. Actually, what you can do, you can also use flathead screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver. Okay, once we have the screws out, we're gonna put them here so we don't lose them. Now press here, okay, on this gray thing. You have to press on it, and then you'll be able to pull the hose off the housing. Okay, it should come off easy. So if it doesn't come off easy, you have to push harder. Next thing here, we have to raise this thing up and get these pins out of here like this. Okay, that's it. Now we have access to our filter, so let's get the filter out just like that. Okay, so we have the filter out. It's a little bit dirty, but it doesn't look very bad, so it's still gonna do its job fine. Just gonna get some debris out. That's it. So you can order filter in any parts store or a dealer or online or whatever. Well, actually any parts store should have them. After you're done, if you have to put the new filter in, you're just gonna do the same exact reverse procedure. Raise this thing up, put the filter in, and put screws back and the hose. So I'm gonna put this in. Then we're gonna put this end in first. Okay, once you have this in, done. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press the like button and have a great day. Bye.